Today I will be reviewing the Polar Express 284 Berkshire steam locomotive in O scale. So let's start with the front. The front has the long cow catcher, just as seen in the movie. It has a swinging bell, and this little whistle thing fell off. But it has a smoking funnel. You have the sand dome, the water stuff. No dynamo. I don't see a dynamo on this engine, but it's not supposed to be built for detail. We have these side rods, which are pretty steady. We have the leading wheels, the pilot wheels, the drive wheels. Moving on, the cab has some detail. I don't know if it picks it up. No, you flip it over. It's basically the same thing. But then you have the rivets right here. Now let's look at the tender. The tender has the sound in it, so this locomotive has sound. The tender is very detailed. It's got nice rivets. It's Polar Express. Has the coal load at the top. This is seen in the movie. And this is how it connects to the locomotive. And the locomotive, you see it has a thing. Well, now let's see it run. Let's see it run. Review. My final thoughts are this is a very good locomotive. It is pretty expensive, but as are all O-gauge locomotives. I would recommend this to anyone who wants to have a model train around the Christmas tree, or just an actual serious modeler in O scale. So thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.